Non-traditional youth apprenticeships are innovative programs that blend classroom learning with on-the-job training. It's where students get in-demand experiences in real workplaces while still in school. Imagine learning to build, create, and innovate, not just from textbooks, but from professionals and mentors in the field, stimulating all different learning styles and interests while enhancing employability. Non-traditional youth apprenticeships are so important because the authentic exposure to the world of work enables informed choices and true career readiness. Students gain marketable skills that put them ahead of the game in the job market. Plus, they earn while they learn, reducing student debt and boosting financial independence. And here's the best part. Non-traditional youth apprenticeships help all students discover their passion. So don't just dream about your future, start building it with youth apprenticeships. The journey to success begins today.